Hey there everyone, welcome to today's video. So if you guys saw my last video, you'll know I take things apart, and today we're going to be taking apart this old Samsung Galaxy A70. It also doesn't work anymore, I don't know why, but it just doesn't turn on or anything. I don't even think it charges. So yeah, I'm going to take it apart, and let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to start by taking off the back cover by wedging my screwdriver under it. Just peels up. That over here. Then we have this inside bit of it. And I'm going to unscrew all these screws here to get these bits off. So let's go do that now. Alright, so now we've unscrewed those screws, we can try and take off this part of it. And to do that, I have to lift up this bit under the screen from here. Just wedge my screwdriver along it. Alright, so now we've got this part off. Still some screws in it for some reason, which just won't come out. Yep, so we've got that off now. That just has, I don't know, not much to it. Maybe it just transfers stuff, but it doesn't look like it does all that much. Yeah, I don't know. Let's put it over here. Forgot about the SD card tray again. You guys had seen my last video. Alright, so now we've got the main motherboards on it. First I'm just gonna flick up this connector between them, because that doesn't really need to be there as I'm taking it apart. I can just go over there, probably out of the camera. And now I just have to take off these screws in it, which are in several different places. So take off the battery and this thing, and this thing, this thing, and this thing. Alright, well, let's unscrew these bits now. Alright, so we've unscrewed all the screws, I think. Oh no, we haven't. Maybe it's a screw? Yes, it is. Sneaky screw. Or is it? No, it's not. Alright, yeah, so we've unscrewed all this, so I can take off this top part. This, and I can also take off the little camera, just for fun. Here's the camera. Yeah, and now we've just got this top motherboard with these three cameras, the light, and this will probably have the CPU and the storage in it. Oh no, this might be the storage. Yeah, something like that. And also, again, look at the SD and look at the tray here. So these ones with the 6 little pins in them are SIM card slots, and look, there's 2 of them. And the tray says it can only take 1. Again, like, I think they're just Yeah, I think all phones can take 2 SIM cards. Even if they don't say they can, because all of them seem to have 2 slots, which is weird. But oh well, I can also take off these little things in here by the looks. Maybe not. No, they seem to be stuck down. I'll just leave those there for now. I don't really have a use for them. I could also probably take... Oh, those are bits of the cameras. Oh, I see. Alright, let's put that over here. And now we gotta take off this bottom part. This part's a bit tricky, if I remember correctly. But I guess I loosened it from last time, so now it's not as hard. But it's stuck down with glue or something. There's nothing really on this one except aux and USB-C. So I can just go over there. Then I guess I can probably try and take out the battery. I haven't actually even successfully taken out the battery yet. But see if I can get it this time. Well guys, that's not how you take it apart actually, and the phone battery kind of blew up, so don't follow those steps and take it out, and I'll show you guys the phone.
Can I see it?
That's not how you take apart a phone, and I'll probably just stop the recording now to take care of that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye, my friends.